Why, my boss?
A video on a platform with a tire dressing. My every banana one. Your banana on West Papanica on
West is on.
On the
Yeah.
a Kenya car to the whip.
Yeah.
I am Manoya.
Thank you.
Been on a way now. On a Latiana.
Thank you.
Not get this one. In your body,
Yeah. Do know.
Like Tatalopi, one Jaguana dressira. Mamma, dressira. Because we receive what?
Udara no go no get one. These are the fools in a dose. I was what we are doing. It doesn't now. In a young was we redo. Our beau redo. Near till I web away. Their sense of reasoning are so shallow. In a name one. When Enogie Zua, do you see how stupid Enogie and Nicola be? When Enogie Zua, anyone with Yehoa. You understand? Now, you that call yourself a Benin man, we're not over here to work. And now, on a video, according to you now, a video now, you never seen this video before. A platform Enogie without no me. Mais non, il y a more non tiens bon de well at the media. You understand? When you type ban ever critical or solo one no give no or part of neck or dodo I'm with. You know all these things, but every me. Or mago when I have a no got here body way. A no got you no get why. You have to receive sense very clear. You understand? Enogie we or you way. Enogie we or you no get do. When you book come, one wa. Ima no kokuwa. Whatever will be doing. Away na uneru. Ikpe pasa no kweko. Enogie is the one humiliating our kingdom right now. When in J, a woman now a video now for more than how many months ago. None of you guys talk about it because I heard a bizubene. I heard anyway it's a frustrated woman. But I want to wear the banny. No, we are moving around. Do post there. Do you go media? You guys are so stupid. Why? Do you know how many views the Enogie near a video? Do you know how much Enogie is going to carry out that video? What women when you do? Why some way? Now imagine Susie. She's coming out to talk about the issue and she's against Sarah. Who was on a call here? I don't get it. What the boy why? Oh, no, why to go na Sagawa? You are so stupid. Oh, no, no, if you don't get what you are right now, talking about he no what ba e no dawe video ya o waka travels is there wani biedo e ti wa hesera ebizugbe ahe won are emi wa de do hesera e social media ni who are why are you guys not interested in that video? If not for Enogie no what. This is the same thing that the mafia where you both are going over. And not the same Enogie. You know, Enogie was the cause. Enogie was the cause. Enogie was the cause. When share this video. The same Enogie. You want to have video you for years. You're more like no mouille platform en et du mofi. Il y en a son saga yori. On dit yori marikou. The same thing with Suna. Il m'avait dit quoi, c'est la marikou. Il m'avait dit quoi, et mon marikou avec Bena. I do my drink.
Yeah.
Say the bros, Frank, the video now. Video is yesterday video. Wait. Say the video is yesterday video. Let me go and check. Joe, hold on. When you see a really live video. It was ago. Enogie is priceless, super and family. Everlasting. Oh, you do another one yesterday.
Very well, I wait for tomorrow. Oh, wow.
All right.
Yeah.
Do the video on TikTok, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I do know.
Oh, Chris, Jack, Henry, I know they support the girl. I know they support the Enogie. Make I tell you, for example, now I may not see the video. Who bring the video come out now? Enogie, now they cost palace. If you know, no make you know now. If I not get sense, make una get sense. Person not insult my father. I can't go play the video with my father since person they insult you. It means that I go insult my father. If I not get sense, make una get sense. If I want to talk about the video, I can never play that video on my platform. I can never play that video on my platform. If for greediness, the money will not get defined. You don't get a blog video whenever they insult palace. Una see that they go to watch. I was one. Mugu. If you don't want to kill Sarah, go kill Sarah. Because of what Sarah talk. You go use the man talker. You don't use your eye watcher. Use the man talker. Let the world know what Sarah talk. Not to come out, cut the video, come put on your page, the player. You dey send the message direct to the palace. You don't get sense. Why then why? Each and everybody, for example, like Suzuzi, we talk about the video, now Sarah the saga. It is saga Sarah. Me, I was able to see the video, an old video. Wait, me, I block you from my platform. Since you don't want to get sense, come on my platform, get out. You understand? She don't want to get sense. Your picking, you go say your picking, say, go draw this thing for me. They go just say, go tell Stella Jeje, say, Ogun de kill you. Go tell your master, Ogun de kill you. Your picking go reach where they go say, Stella, the woman must make a say, Ogun de kill you. You go come tell you, say, the woman must make a tell you, say, Ogun de kill you. You will consider the woman that cost you, that your picking cost you. Now your picking ain't cost you. Now not get sense. You don't train away for us. Argument of ye. Or you're almost zoe. Yeah, one way I go and what's what the work better. Letting you give the repercussion of the dollar that you were there. Mugu. Esera or we are over here in a day. The first time, it's like that. Abibini, oh yeah, do me walking. As we speak, I see the video on my phone. A video is on my phone. That video is still on my phone. But I will not do so low to block the video. So because me I said I guess I can't use the video to the saga. No. If I want saga, I know what he talk. I know the implication of what he said. What she said. I go use it on the saga. Say you can cut the video, come put up on your page. Come the react put. Now you the insult palace. Enogie, where ought to be if you don't know, make you know now. Because through your platform, now they believe they receive the insults. Through your dirty platform, any damn insults. I did a video concerning one of our princesses early this year or last year. Enogie now with the video. No, I play platform away. We made the video like that. When I am a picture princess, ni me gwankan. Ni me ma a queen ni me gwankan. Ni me ma sunu ye, ni me mo picture like that. I only measured her name and what she's doing on TikTok. I measured it on my platform, but I did not bring her a picture. You now went to your platform to bring her a picture. Who were the people now engaged? You, no more picture like that. When no picture like that, when you do against. Let me pin down my number here. Plus 491. Hold on, plus 491 5214 150 70 98. When no picture like that, when you do against. Do why somebody has to correct you guys. Somebody has to give you guys sense. And say that not your bonny like the platform. Either I comment, I leave. Now, how did I start my saga? Yes, was saga my head. It was this Ogyoba Moffiface. Ogyoba Moffiface, yes, was saga. The Moffiface was posted picture like then. I called Moffiface way. Drop that picture. It could do better. Drop a picture. We first wrote no worry later in the evening. Or he like them water. Honestly, one feel no big gear. I called him on that platform. He not call him immediately. Then my face retrieve your waist back. Even though no. Retrieve your waist back. Don't you ever wanna block him. He blocked my number. He blocked me on Facebook. The next day, he not fall out in it. He just was saga the yena. He not fall out in my face. He just want to ban on boa. You understand? Now, okay, we fall out in my face. I never come on my platform to play my face video. Oh yeah, if you know big girl, egwa. No, I heard what he said, and I'm against what he said, and our ancestors and our palace is against what he's saying out of his mouth. And I have to come against him. With the custom and tradition that I know from Benin. Oh, yeah, senior woman. Not by senior woman. Yeah, baby, I don't know when I want to make buto. Ne bon e bon maro ya la dan yo. Kate o ya yedo, o ya ye boya nana. Ne mo fesi ga ado the social media. The same thing Enogie is also doing now. Enogie mi le Sarah fi no bi. Gira bi ye. En wan do tie gagine. Ahe gagi. Ahe Sarah ne gagine. Motai. Ene Sarah, eme no degbe keno, imi material no. E wono wege, wono mabe ya wale wita. Na agi no kiya e. E wale buya Sarah. Sarah have nothing to contribute. You understand? Therefore, you don't get to go and cut Sarah's video. Oh, no matter relevance. Whether you have fear video here, a video, you have fear. Uno e blogger, we all blog a video Sarah. Uno e blogger, where me all blog a video Sarah. How many bloggers you can see Sarah's video? Because it's not relevant. I get one man. And when they don't take material. Then you not go so far to cut the video. We have a video. Enogie, we have a video Sarah. We have a video Sarah. But the video no ya fi no gira jouer. En mode dump. Na ya fi le ya ko. An go we yes o. Hello. Wa we yes o. A video no ya fi na ya fi no gira we. When ya fi no post eh. Mais non what I no gi. The make no be jouer this one live we post eh Facebook. Who are the way frack no we general. And they ask you. You people are so stupid why then why? They don't give you no get an enemy of the Benin Kingdom. Na care of you go Facebook. Where find the way Facebook here. No react yo. We jouer or bo we jouer to junction. We don't find the way Facebook. No react yo. They don't get they ask you. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
What talk about you?
Mr. Umenwa, call your boy.
What for? We real live video.
Yeah, I beg you when you speak up.
Oh, I'll speak up.
Okay, we really talk about it here. You know where the Igbo keki do you they are not concerning TikTok. You know where us the Emmanuel do can a platform.
Maya go. Yeah. Yeah. We about a 2 weeks ago now.
Many na dossier so ni ma be pastor in at new generation. A platform about the TikTok. In I don't know when I over do working or we are doing. And we might you over doing. Do we doing? When to book me where Igbo, Keki, yes, and see money we are doing talking about TikTok and we're ready to talk while we live video. Have you joined the Benin people to start to fight that fight? A bastard in us one, so what am I trying to say? What be all Enogie now of a 10 work one kind of Omanogi associate with that bastard in any Sarah T boss. Ugyon pan no. Why? Because only and again they know ya bamisi can do. Honor do I a bene motifes in was similar.
Exactly.
You understand? And again of Wuhani, do. You understand me? The swim money appear the two, not don't want the two, and I do as said to me, why you are no sense in it, they don't care. Why? Because ever I carry.
Exactly.
What the already no give of the thing? Oh, yes, son, I will no give, no give over here too. Oh, yes, son, a year, I will do lily banya, Opiane, a year more a queen no giving a high. A courier son, already Mugiani no yet.
So, what
am I trying to say? or where it is again almost to go and be anything I'm having a eruption for you. That. Well, young time I did that while I will not concerning me. A donor, what now, my cuckoo, naya, a bin, and a do. Oh, well, my is imagine boss, ye cake, no dinner, utapa, or my eva, or your pan of what, so my brother, be very careful and be vigilant. Why? Because here we yes or mono be very careful and be what it you know, this is a fosa. I don't hide my identity. So what am I trying to say, my dear brother? We beg no any keke we say that deep boss in vigilant. Wow, as you are on media, Lao, Amu, Papian, or Amu, cooking and saying. So that is my contribution, Koyo.
Well, see, thank you very much.
So I will get back.
Water. Now, listen. The time I no give no weird, how a video no weird. Because as I see this video for Enogie platform, this early morning, it's an investment. You understand? Say, Enogie is too so low. Go share, see that where for the trauma to balance in a very radical way. When I post a page where if you don't agree, if you don't agree, more than the boat, you're not going to agree. They are not they will comment there. Get what? Enogie, you are so tech where you just have to go to read that video. Even when you twin or vagwa. Even when you na because where all you have the bigger platform to promote Sarah insult to the palace, straight to the palace, straight to all the doors all over the world. There are things that you guys don't understand here. Sarah na nobody they see Sarah. Any cow, a popanya if I don't know ya you one. No, I saw and me want to damn you. You are here, get out of this place. Every of my platform here block you. Oh, I saw and me want to damn you. But Enogie coming out to promote Sarah insulting the palace. Enogie, you are the one insulting the palace. If you like take it or not, you are the one insulting the palace. That is my stand on this issue. When they say that few no big here, because they say that Matia Bonnet Guani Mekiri. Eguagera Bogije, Esselagaroye. Ereselag just ran online Gua, Esselagaroye. Esselamaroye, Omaro Yobime. You understand? So for you, we're not yet where Oviedo working, who were those senior saying a door for your selfish interest. No, you are the devil, you are the one insulting the palace. You cannot imagine a person like me. You don't want a video, a great video with money. You don't want a platform with your na nafi no bi egwa edo banedo, then you will expect me if you don't believe me. I'm asking you guys should tell yourself the truth. Go and watch the video. They say that you will not view no raw. You get video, they say that you don't get post, you will not view no raw. Then tell me who saw the palace. Hello? Good morning.
I would have contributed a little bit.
Go ahead. They hear you. This speaker.
For me, normally, you're not supposed to upload the video. You did hear me so because that one, that video, make people who never have watch the video, they'll come look the way, the way say that they insult Papa, insult Mama. It doesn't make sense. Actually, just call, if you just talk and the way they talk, you understand?
Yeah.
But I'm not sort of worried that Sarah, whether if you depress, anybody will
you come out. Now, beginning of the trauma too. Anybody you come up with the trauma too. I don't understand those kind of nonsense. The rest people, rest tribe, they don't do like that. I don't want to maybe even you're the vex. If you depressed, you don't go kill your depression for. If brothers, they don't go call out to order. If brothers and sisters, they don't call out to order. It don't make sense now for real.
When we are again, what only come on the woman? Say that on the woman. Again is the again in a again you wrong. That kind of Christmas.
No, brother, there's what did they pay? Why be like saying now we the Benin? I don't know whether I get a Benin. I don't know because it's not be Benin. As in, we always they want to do this thing. We want the trauma. Why? The rest people they don't do like that. Why? Like saying now we always bring this disgrace, this humiliation. They come at those things. Why? It don't make sense now.
Okay, this is what I'm saying now.
For Enogie to block that video, for Enogie to block, me not support her. Make people call the watch the video more.
May Enogie go drop that video. May Enogie go drop that video.
For example, say I said that the place, I don't believe say Enogie go block that video.
Exactly.
Enogie they fight for personal interest. That is the truth.
God bless you. Now they talk. Now they know what they talk about.
Papa and mama, I said that they insult in generation. But for Enogie, I believe I will say Enogie said that they go
play.
They play. Enogie no go block now.
God bless you.
Now you want to use power say they fight your personal interest?
God bless you.
Nonsense thing that useless guy they do say. But I'm a guy for one side, but I don't go support her for this useless evil thing when they do. Believe me, I don't even know the way it take. I have the power for you. You want fight your battle with Sarah.
Exactly.
We're not going to bring our
palace
to the matter. It doesn't make sense. They remember whenever I watch her, they bring out the call the call and watch the video, call the city, they insult Papa, they insult Mama.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Well, I said maybe they call her to order, or if you or maybe they carry her go look for one place when they give her medicine, you need medicine. Because that guy get depressed. Maybe they call her to order.
Thank you very much.
Go meet doctor, maybe they go lock her for psychiatric hospital, maybe they give her medicine.
God bless you. See, one thing is sure. Make I let you know one thing. I'm not a tribalist somebody. Whether it's Sharon, Yoruba, Igbo, Ijo, all of them, all of us are human beings. Determine the kind of mind you have, your own training, where you were brought up. You understand? There are some Igbos that are better than Beninese in 100-fold. There are some Ijo where better pass Benin people 100-fold. There are some Yoruba where better pass Benin. There are some Benin where better pass Yoruba, better pass Igbo, better pass Ijo 100-fold. It determines whoever you are as a human. I know the tribalism here. You understand? Whether I Asian man, they will not concern me. Most of these women you see abroad, they will come from a very responsible home. But their attitude here, because of this, they come from one typical village where they never see money for her before. Once they reach here, they'll become something else. There are some women here who are lesbian. There is no lesbianism lineage in their family. They reach here, they start them. So things they happen for abroad. So not use tribe, say, the man are Asian. I'm not careful whether you know the man are Asian, you know the man are Benin, not concern me. But the character, the attitude we they perform right now, that's what I'm against. I'm not talking because me I don't get the quarrel. And the talking the way it's supposed to be as a Benin man, where I be. Enogie should go and drop that video. Because the more that video they did there, the more Enogie spread the news, the insult straight to their doors. Mind you, any Benin man, they don't use it. The insult with the Enogie platform goes to you all. Don't think say now only one person. Enogie now is the one spreading the insult to the general idols, home and abroad. So if you know so you like Enogie, you know, call out to order right now. Make it drop that video. You say that they create for a platform, make it a create for a platform. We the Edos will not send Sarah. We will take Sarah as a Benin woman. The way Edo abandon my face, abandon Messi Coco, abandon Sophia, Obaze, abandon that woman what they call itself or Dimeji Enogie. When they were saying that yes, Abado was useless mugu. Waiting for France. Now so we are Abado Sarah. If you don't know, me I tell you so. And that category Sarah belongs to. I've said this time with that number. When Sarah come out of video, come to say, baby, I tell Sarah, until you go to palace yourself, who are you know when we talk? Who are you know what you can hear? You will not know peace. He come and say, I am sorry. Now for now, no. That now sorry when I do for social media. Now for now. That one for Edo people. That one for Benin. That one for our culture, our customer tradition. Who that will not by taking all here? Oh yeah, you know I want to know it. When no make the matter. Then you see you Enogie coming out to promote that video. Utano moji no dore de be or we no go dore de. Itendo we or no when you tendo with your soon. One no one feel ye do with you who are soon. And we will see it. And we will see it. Oh my hami mewe era mewe umewe ya mi ero sakpolo go de gume iya se ero sakpolo je ero sakpolo era mewe muri gome owo gun gbera ya ka bera ogun ogbe a iwoke baba ero sakpolo ni kin ba we ogun ogbo a ari ti ogun ni rime menu menwa gino ero sakpolo. And that's what Enogie just did. Many of you people think it's a joke and you are clapping for him. You are even praying for you. Wakongbesha. Akoku wai. Don't want to edo yi. He area is J. Anyone J. Anyone go stupid ya. Oma that video na yaro yera. Wana bobo yo ego wesi. Uwese no ya hamage ya tie boderi ma. Uwese no ya salo buari wajia. So that's I go just look now. You see, who be all these people? The same thing, the Murphy, no, we don't ban or God, of the enemy of Benin Kingdom. The same thing, with Yore. The Murphy invited Yore, Yore Mare. Ikuwafu, this same Enogie, with Inyanya Tege, Ivie 2002. Il y a un vague barreau, il y a un bon Enogie, il y a un final, il y a un zabro kere. Il y a un yododo red and red. If you not forget, they can let me know. Il y a un red and red, you pass it. Il y a un Enogie na mwe video ni ladia. Na ya mie wadu ya atio, yoro gyo ba wedede. Il y a un dokbe, owe ba yegwe, edia yeban. Enogie is always happy bringing down the Benin Kingdom. He always want to showcase, want to repeat the same insult. They always led to the kingdom, straight to the kingdom. He always wants to repeat that insult so that the year to make it no level. Do a man, no why now. Enogie is fond of doing that thing. Enogie ma we yedo. Enogie we e charge go yosajaye. O ye Daniel ago. No koko worry. Egborian ba wana sungu we neburuwa. Iya ma we do. He always promotes where they insult the kingdom. This is a sound warning. Enogie, go and delete that video from your page. Go and delete that video from your page with immediate alacrity. A video you are deleted. When you marry a tiny, or are we joking? Or we setting it? If you are doing it, I do my drink. I know. Owe no ka mu no ka mu ezo gare igbina gi setting Enogie. A video no we post always say that you can analyze that video, sit it down, just know you have to give it to Sarah Woto. I'm not against that. But Sarah will not really come well. On my camera. I live in a boyon. So far, no good in it. But you playing a video on your platform. My God. You fuck up. Big time. To will lose God. Do mind come on. Who will lose God? Ebonati enu weke is there. Eboni munane. But you no go know, Gama. When Eboni all the way now, you no go feel no God. Say now juju they worry you. Ebona mugbo worry we. Oya we are there china. Eti we there you now, you never know. You can never know. We're setting you we there till you there now. Ebona mugbo weni, or you we there till you there now, you don't know. Or we kwebo get your trader. Look on young bow can figure. You will not know. Baga. Am I to wear? If I tell you pin down, you'll lock up. I'll lock up. You see me with a shot now. Say, God, go delete that video before they go scream. They go cut and download that from your page. You get what? Go delete that video. Get that. When? Good. Washa. Let me go still drag you out. As I tell you now, say the video. Not to throw out today. I give you throw out today to the video. You know the video. Let me go still drag you. You go know whether I get level. Very soon. I have a tea with matter now. Why I wash? I have a tea with matter now. I have tea with matter now. We want to know where you belong to. If you are for the dose, the people will know. If you are against the people, we will know. Ya ye manu tie ni ku enye ya dog video na a platform we. Na ya tie bone go ya mu ye platform we ya ku go a platform we. You are not fighting for a do, you are against a dose. Dear man, they will know now. Now me go drag you. Go and delete that video. Give you nothing to throw out today. My video you page you wearing, so there will be peace. Inshallah. Now, you don't get what me the drag. If I talk now, it's not a joke. If you don't my way see my way to be seeing anything for life. You don't feel drag anything. Don't know you for nowhere. Facebook is not anywhere. You might swear. They do the needful. Do the needful. Don't support evil. Don't support evil. A man will get a ban with your head. I want the fact you keep right now. I go drag you. That's why I come out. I come out now. Now I get my face village. You now a bed because you wear a bed. I will show you children bed where you go feel buy for your children when they sleep as a girls. Children when you get. Also that will video now bed be color. But this one, I want you to see my face. Say, umenwa almost would with many or gueguan. You understand? Almost would with many or gueguan. It may more one in a stage. A government of Kokuwebu. I pass you for everything you never know. You can never know. I'm not the competition with anybody. But the little way God did bless me, I appreciate it. Well, who married for Nana? I'm planning for anniversary. Anniversary may you plan for. Oh yeah. Is kitchen marriage a bride price is bride price. According to custom and tradition, I do it. And I want to say a very big thanks to me. Maurice Zen now way bride price they fly for social media. Wanna clap for me. It really shows say I be in your war. I don't want to you want to battle in Nigeria. You are learning how to go. You might not a bride price. You might not a kind from una. But me, more remember, I turn you all upside down to make sure you go home and do the needful to the ancestors. That's why I am the Umenwa, the Enyowa of social media. I'm proud of myself. I create roles for every woman, for every mother, every man to be paying bride price. back home. Una so single on the bomb for me have abroad. Parents were born and come like they don't know so that they drink kind for the matter. But I make it happen. So you guys have to give me kudos. There should be a day you celebrate to me for that alone. Now, this abroad. When you put in my president, then we are being a webu. Ere mo le liyan hu. Ere ya pay breakfast le liyan vision. Iyan ya ago. You was so open 5 children, 5 father. No bride price. No, I make it happen, inshallah. You all are under me. I still remain the head. You all are under me. When all of you married, not make a scar. I started it small. My children, they have to pass me. A money beer, almost someone, a wanja. Even why I can go send me. I'm proud of it. But I have them quality marriage on a disgrace or like me. Because I didn't count. You guys have to have sense when you are doing things. I don't mind drink. I want you. Ekia will pepper them. Do things very well, say in a peaceful manner without no pepper anybody. Let me why you. Maybe I best can't be a scar. If you marry by what? I come out of bed, baby. And don't go on the government make me. I have to be a scar. Yeah, them live I was all in the bed. Ni money my. They my siblings are hungry. I don't do that. I'm a very smart guy, especially when it comes to economic, financial experts. We are know how to compromise. If we don't know you pay you, you are delete. You delete. I tell you, come channel. We know you are delete. Cause I no buy. E kenana fi no gie gwa. When I posted you page you do ana. Wori do analyze. Wori do what? Wori fi no gie gwa no gie. Ume. Wori ro vie gwa. Wori ro vie gwa. When no gie na. Or if you no gie ravi wa. You don't know. You should know now. Who will debt you there right now? Et you there. Ewe de na. Or when no mami do bude. Ido bon we de kuna. Oh baba. Oji makba. Oh. Uma enu de yina nogi. Aso avant ya via oda wena. Cause wogi tie bonnet. Agent we. A workers way, admin way, always video no have you no get go when I are blogger because you are the one that send her. You understand? What you get una? How you say a video you delete make na go. No make na go. Na do me usu ebo ge you re ya tie nu we do sunu egbo na. Usu onyo ba nu we ga tie yo re we ke onyo ba na my brother. Think wise. Your ban with that your way looking on. Because I was you not going to drag that bay. When not go you dog at that. Oh, yeah, oh, you are here. Far down if I do. It end with the fois. Cannot cause you know your dog at that bay. Cannot cause you dog at that. Oh, you are here. A Sarah Robbie Ranije. When not do not post any yet to die. Oh, your power, Yaki. Don't forget. Orien ni ka wari. Orien do wari. Orien back with there. Orien zolo abetu. All bat ye ball. Eni ka wogwina. Ason battle lo Maria. Have it in mind. I do my drink. I want you. Enogie, look here and do the needful. You are a friend. That's why I'm still advising you. I'm not insulting you right now. I'm telling you the facts. A video in young man for them and his sat down that way. When it goes to your peak, they will see that video no there again. Video you give back. Then the ancestors and the people will not be doubted. Oh, Here my women name your money name you pay. Here my money name you pay. Like I say, pay your river. Go use your sense. I feel you take me as your number one enemy, as you have said before. But that same your enemy is always telling you the truth. I will always remain your enemy to tell you the truth. That is me for you. I cannot be afraid. Have it in mind. To be clapping for you when you are falling into atrocity, when you are doing evil. It is better I correct you for your atrocity and your evil to be your enemy. That will clap for you, be your friend. But yeah, just no they do. That's this way you see. Me and your godfather will be like cat and rats. Today we go play, tomorrow we will fight. And the more fears come now, when I don't rest. That's me for you. Oh, what if this behavior of people they weak? That's me. You want to feel body, you be with me. You think I won't have my work, my working, or you know my back. I don't do that. Also, I don't support evil. Mother, now. Others they check, let off my check, that's my check. That will not happen in my regime. As a social media king, we delete that video, make peace day. You know, man, come on, say no. Because when me everywhere, because I know who I am. I know the custom and tradition of our lands. Many artists, I can't do so low. A video they have you no get wow, getting a second. Or bad up on neck or the other I mote. Oh, Solomon will give a ghetto here. Nenoa. Oh, do marketing. Mose bossy. Do ya. If you do me, paging me, more. Guy, so look what we score. The nick how every year. As soon as I choose no area, ek may be a every soon let baby. My would always the money be. Down here, I live here when you are. Oh, come my alpha, or second, you will know alpha. Wow, no go gonna when time rich. Where? The man deal kill Bumina Murowa. Imam Murowa, I am the chairman of Men of Wisdom Club Association. A joke, eh? Do my hand well. Udere, Men of Wisdom Club of Rome. Beans, shash play. You understand? Be a carrier. A single person river. Oh, ya ne dunemo wa eriwa. Ero mo here or river neribana. That have sense, that have doings, that have good hearts. Ni meko no ma. Ni mweni ye ko ya lelo ni ukana corner. Ane ye dokba. Iye sa ya we club ni. You understand? As o menwa. Ikbe anenwa gwe. Uaume iunwe equimity ya do. You understand now? Don't be a foolish person. Men lewebo ina la Roma ni mejina ina ke club ni na chema. Wege la webo una ya like courts. Ayes una ya yigo like courts. Utwa sigidi. Luna le yo leri. Igbinaro e wa agwa de kiri egbe. Udi free. You are comparing myself with yourself. Me laiwebo ina sie ye do koko na gba okpa. Emi ga sunu I ko bokugbe I ya solve a problem in it. I believe you watched the video. One of our member era who at the age of 101 years. Emayare le bobugi the Roman. When naga we Roma. Area where word nobody. You understand? Where he like wepo una ya deba abakraya. Abeniata imania why you respect because I see the work when they do good work. God bless you. But we are stopping bina. You understand? We are stopping bina. The PCB cannot redo. So what they cannot wama. Mawe mani ruwe ma. E mani yene gbe ya. Ale romo, ale job on gene gbe. Ne wen gbe yani buru we. But they are peaceful, they are unique with their own house. Or so igbinane yemani yomo. Ewe ya deba. Edagbo is just 2 inches. If you don't know, you are just like a military man. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. Edagbo is just 2 inches. You don't know. For example, I'm telling you the repercussion of being a courtesan. What it can lead to. Sirawe guy man, Sirawe Jew, a Jew man, a guy man ayegan. Any courtesan, ewi. This is the two difference between me and you. There are many people, there are many strong men. Where did that kofra when you joined yesterday? When nobody knows they be kofra, they be strong man. Nobody know. They are too posh, even their wife don't even know they are strong men. I get many of my guy man will be strong kofra men. My friend, my tight friend will be strong kofra. Their wife don't know who they be. Yeah, Pupakun. They deal lucky and they be boss or boss. Or way. Do warrior the courtist to don't warrior the kofra, we don't even know. Your nuisance, your nonsense is totally unbearable. Totally unbearable. Kudos to all those strong men, all those responsible strong men out there for abroad. Where they bomb, where they be Lord, where they don't be luggage. They are responsible, they are okay, they are calm. They are making noise. You know how many men will be saying at the front of the eat? For this room, who this room? They're not the misbehave, they correct, they bomb. They bomb finish. Umi and they flag color. You don't even know. If you know a girl, you just follow men, strong men, waka, you know go feel no say them are strong men. Now they are rotation alone, you go to say, baba hello. Or where you become a nuisance. You become a nuisance. Because Father will say everybody respects. People go hear their name, they go to shock. They go to shock. They go to shock. They don't get enter. It become like childish things. Be like childish things. You don't misbehave anyhow. They talk anyhow. You don't get rotation. They zuzu. And you look, they laugh. Because now abroad with dinner. Wait, I swear to God, it's not beneath with thee. Okpeni agwe mfo atete agwe mfo na abie we the way for next pe you talk ma we 11 we ye ni they do we now I'm not going to fuck you up because we fuck up who will fuck up anyhow e fuck up we are man you not ba that where anywhere belongs to you know the power of angels baba no go play if you know the power where that thing carry you no go play. If you be guy, you dey forum, you go see the way that they behead people for this fight will pass out. This fight will pass away, we just pass away. Go watch many people that behead. You go know, say man, not be charge plea. You will coordinate yourself as well. If you not see who tell you, person need to tell you, and I go fit tell you. When you coordinate yourself, it they do well. They don't bring shame and they go to give strong men. Because they fuck up. Yeah, man, time now. Life on the right. Hello, bro, hello. Hello? I greet you.
Yeah, because you know, see, when small picking you no back law, now so they pay. I don't know that if you put on speaker.
Yeah,
it will not get.
It is speaker now.
I let you know one thing, You know, see, when small picking you buy clothes, Christmas clothes, you go to wear maybe they sing. You know what that they call matter now. You know, in a boy now, you understand? Because he never really know in the place pass. If now go in take all those nonsense when they don't go to try am. They get me so.
Yeah.
They don't go to try am. Now to flat better anyone can know say you pal. Or not to flat better anyone can know say you be social person. And they call this one a cheat, this one a smoke whenever I know it's there. You understand? This one never express the population. They never express you carry something face there. You understand?
Yeah.
To blow up a leg. Never express anything, man. I know people they do all those nonsense now. But at least as you do things, you calm yourself. Nobody will ever know say say it. You arrange yourself. Now then you take comport. Now then you comport yourself well. They don't feel comportant. When you join level, you comport yourself. And then also get to it when they do not all the do anything. But then you join level, you know they portray nuisance. They don't feel comport you. They don't feel like you know say me after I said they feel no start doing they do no. They do like say they come Benin and they know they come saying this one. I mean you know they play fast now. Because you know one wife, please.
Exactly.
The joy of you don't just know yourself. Let me tell you, you can't misbehave. One time, every minute you go drive local, go ride something, everybody knows this you work. I mean, that guy, I don't know child. The way that guy, I know you don't know who you wake up in the morning. You know, see, I wish I don't work with that little bro.
I agree to you. No you do. I
don't know what you say that guy because when I watch that guy video sometimes, they are the power, not the lying best. I don't think I don't be like. For me, I don't know go pound that guy. They will go pound and say, like, you say, a strong man. Come believe content say you strong man. Man, let me go. I can be fast.
And why you be agree to you? Yeah, so from Bogo, they pardon for you, Enogie. Even Nigeria people, they invest for you. I don't know. When last I don't see FBN forum for Facebook. Last time I see FBN forum, now when they build borehole for Ewotubu, I come and celebrate them. I can't thank them for that borehole where they build for Ewotubu. They mass borehole, they sink borehole, mass tank with tank. The water they flow. FBN now they donate money build up for their forum. Now, but for a few weeks since we don't get to do marriage, and they see FBN anyhow. The way they post their picture, the way they even carry a demorphic picture with him. He put up a FBN forum and say, "What did they saw? Who be this? Who be this? Zuo? Who be this? Booty? What did they worry this guy? Your marriage picture, you post them, go put up a FBN forum and June day inside. Person will not be strong man. He sit there inside that same picture. You go put up for FBN forum and say, well, what was one night? Oh, no, Azua. A guy that could, I bet the more figure with the bayies, ne? I call they ask myself, I the more figure with the bayies. He go put on. I all look on. I see some strong men inside the normal level. I know many strong men with it. Normally, all of the bam, normal. I just cheap. But that particular chicken where he go put join on. He go put chicken join where strong men did. I say, I hope this one. You know what? Maybe normal level, maybe the muffin I say strong man. I don't know. You understand? I all look there. I all laugh. You know, a boy and I one. You get luck, see me. Go for I miss me. I did that for now. Me for get problem. Yes, now I for the comport you where we'll get problem because me I'm gonna give you back to back. You don't go misbehave. I will coordinate you. I know the truth. You need coordination. I want you to want beg all of you now. That guy need coordination. You need to the coordinator. You need to the coordinate that guy. If I want to coordinate, that guy gonna drag me like the comments. And it's not the truth. Again, in them one now. What is the one go be over worry? I don't know what this bro just told us now. You be like small people that you buy Christmas clothes. You want the wear because they cannot fit on. You want the wear and he don't like that kind of clothes. He wear black on the impersonate for years. We don't impersonate. He don't do impersonate for years. Okay, after you don't go chop the wish. They're going to comport and say, oh, you pass CIDB. If not, you got to go pay. I drop. You got to pay the dollar. You understand? Only one. See, you see this face cap here I show you so. This face cap will be show you so. Now our logo be that one. Apart from our meeting day, if we see for anybody head, if you know the fan way, then you go run. Apart from our meeting day, that day when they do meet, so everybody from your house, you are free to wait around throughout the day till 12 in the next day. Once 12 don't knock, Baba, you that cover your head. They say when you're in a fan. If anybody set up for your head, say any of our members can't see one of our member head, you go drop on the forum bam. Now fan, you go follow him, bottom must go down. You must do bear must follow him up. That's the law, that's the principle. So when they use kofra of many years. You know the years when they open that kofra. They never tell you the history. When they usually play like this social media nuisance. What they do. All this kind of thing. But see, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Go look your guy. Will be said. One of us do this live video. You see, I say they continue nuisance again. C'est so I tell you talk to that guy. Go find us beret with the fly. You see, I say they continue nuisance again. All of them shocking. They respect yourself. You the zoo, you the form with you know the bala who. I'll just go beg all of you. Will be strong man. I'm gonna coordinate that guy. Because that guy got they bring insult. They can't give una. It don't make sense. It don't make sense for real. It don't make sense. Because the things what that guy they do, you know clear. Not supposed to know. How can why woman clear? Just the other day I seen her with this guy with the America. Yeah, this guy with the America, Mr. Smart. You understand? When I watch that video, that guy they made down, I look and I look up. Because you're the show itself. Man, make it sense. Why show it boy? Without I like off. Without I like what? Why show it boy? When the boy you like cut, and then you like cut. When you like cut, when you record. Who can all the house where they begin before you feel see house where kofra no day in the hard. You know go return. You see this house kofra no day. Anybody with this don't know they kofra it hard. Then go there. Their parents not go know say that they kofra. Area we are the courtist. They coordinate themselves normally. I believe now no say kofra. You don't know say this person na kofra. Not that the fact begede. Not that it begede. You don't go know. Say this person na strong man. Just come abroad, they use kofra, they play like children, they beat. I say no know anything they do. My must see there. I must see your banner. We go crack. See you don't fish shoot gun. Abam you might not see anywhere. Person not go down for your matter. You they call the talk for live video. You they make noise. You can't more guy use your brain. Use your brain. No, you not be any presenter again. You not be like a live video presenter. Will not be maybe Jew. Be strong man. Not be every month you go fit talk with bro. You know you understand. Baba you supposed to understand. And when they talk to you so. Not be every month you fit shook mouth again because you belong to wine juice already. You understand? If you want to talk about in juice matter, you know say in juice matter you want to talk about. You already share your platform say now for in juice. You be like one guy where they call, I forget the guy where they call this guy. When Alex they call this guy. You know all it matter now buy in juice. Everybody you know say now in juice matter you talk about. Paraventure maybe that guy one of these in juice, but I don't know where it belong to. Because they fly different berets. You understand? But all you meat matter now in juice matter you talk about. Since you're not a strong man, if you want to talk about in juice, be plain, not sad, not say because you be Aiz, you support Aiz. Now you decide you against this one. No, be clean, be pure. Talk about in juice. But if you want to be secular, like the way we all be so, and you be strong man, not be your matter you fit talk put. And the truth. Like this in juice matter where they have for part so, we soft for Bini. Then when you use brain, me I understand. I watch your video now. I don't understand what you talk. Your bed normally confirm your bed. Me not be say you don't talk put. Because them was after I look you don't talk 5 day time. On a normal ground, you know what you talk because you know the story. You understand? What you need to do? What you go on with live video. Hello. I must greet you, bros.
I greet you.
I greet you. It did speak out.
Guy, I might talk small for this year.
Yeah.
This Momo na small boy. Yeah, now small boy. We won't blend them now. The person where they blend for garden, I want to be blending now. If this guy been collect better IT for Nigeria, you know what the Momo this kind of thing they do. Small thing go carry cap. People where they the game, no they. Now person go identify you. What you're doing is coded.
Exactly.
That is the truth of it. You just come small time, you go carry barret. You don't even know where to wear barret. Come make and look very local. Make and look very, very local. Those days when boys blend for school. Everybody they hide their identity now.
Exactly.
Everybody hide their identity. Now when Wahala make it come out, who go collect. Now the idiot now, if anybody want they can if they want throw them overboard. Now very, very easy track to throw them overboard. They will throw him one hand because he don't show himself. As he did now, he no fit identify himself if he go Nigeria. This guy no fit identify himself. Let's keep sentiment because if you don't want war, police go come out for here. That is the problem.
Exactly.
Normally, if they burn this guy, when he travel go Nigeria, carry that barret to where? That barret is worn during occasions.
Exactly.
If they go your gyration and do other things. If they go your Sally, now they wear this kind of thing. But this idiot go your carry barrier wear for head, they talk nonsense.
For live video.
You don't know when the game come out. Now small picking never even reach 30 years. Now adolescent age, they worry this boy. For live video, and I wonder, that is why they call it secret courts. He doesn't even know the founder of those starting in this. Now because they carry out, not be person where they say they ban for water bamba. You don't see men way matter, they come and they